I'm so excited to be here.
They brought together a knockout crowd.
We have over 250 people today. Everyone from the supply chain is here. Today, back to basics. We've got some amazing speakers on. There's a lot of talk about simplifying regulations.
Back to basics for me is really going back to the drawing board. How will the consumer of the future buy products? What I found particularly interesting is some of the discussions we've been having around battery safety, how AI is really going to shape the world of product safety.
To be recognised within here, with these people here, is fantastic. The networking is absolutely amazing, it's invaluable.
Getting back to basics is really, really important, and understanding product safety, but discussing it together, because it can be quite complex.
We can all take back best practices to drive change, whether it's policy, regulation, consumer education. By working together, we can really drive impact.
What I love about this event is you get both sides of the industry. It's a really good chance for everyone to get together and exchange ideas.
Every year, it only gets better.
This is our first time, but it won't be the last.
You'll get to network, you'll get to hear about the latest developments in product safety.
I always have it in my diary.
It's really a must-do.
It's such a fantastic event.
Don't even think about it. Book and come.